Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to lock Google Chrome browser with password. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To password protect your Google Chrome browser, while there's no built-in feature for this, you can still enhance security using third-party extensions. Here's a step-by-step guide. Now, here's how to install and configure password protection extension. Open Google Chrome, then click on the three dots at the top right to access the menu, and choose to navigate to the bottom and click on Visit the Chrome Web Store. At the search bar of the extension section, type Set Password for your browser and press Enter. Choose the first result. Click Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once installed, set up the extension by creating a password. After configuration, confirm the settings by clicking OK. The browser will close automatically, ensuring that the next time you open Chrome, you will need to enter the password you set to access it. And that's how you can lock Google Chrome with the password. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.